Hello, welcome to Geirivar Gårdtur. Today I'm out chasing waterfalls. You've already seen the smaller one, Berøykenes, near the main road. Today we're up Skibotn Valley, and near me is the biggest one, Rovjok. I'll mostly film with drone shots, I hope, so you get to see the river up close. Here is how it runs under the old bridge, and it disappears down there. Enjoy the view. It is a bit hard to get the size of the thing in a drone shot if you don't spot my blue jacket. Here's the thing, you can see some Finnish tourists in front of me. Everything, even out where I'm standing, is hit with sprayed water. I think you can see it on the lens. Oh, this is wet. Bad. Everything's getting wet. I'm going closer. I'm going down to the river just to show you the size of the thing. It's absolutely mayhem. Oh, I feel like I've been in a rainstorm. Just with a few seconds I went down there. I bet you can't see it because the camera is full of water as well, even though it was remaining still. The lens is completely covered in drops. Oh, sorry about that, camera. A bit better now. You can see my jacket just from a few seconds. This thing is big. Really fun though. And our final waterfall of the day, the Ollerelv main cascades. They are really magnificent in the spring melt. So please enjoy the flyby. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next trip as well.